Can you speak English fluently, but you are too scared to open your mouth?
That fear is real, and it stops so many people from making progress.
Today on Daily Speaking English Podcast, we talk about why waiting to be perfect is the biggest mistake English learners make.
You will learn 5 practical tips you can start using today. No classroom, no teacher needed.
Welcome to Daily Speaking English Podcast. I am Lena, and I am so glad you are here with us right now.
And I am Ben. If you want to speak English with more confidence every single day, subscribe to our channel. We have a fresh episode waiting for you every day.
Ben, I have a question for you. When you were learning something new, anything, did you ever wait until you felt ready?
Every single time. And you know what? Ready never came. I just had to start.
That is exactly what we are talking about today. So many English learners think, I will speak when my English is perfect, but perfect never comes.
It's like waiting for a sunny day to go swimming. At some point, you just jump in.
The water is always fine once you jump. So the first thing we want to say to every listener right now is this: you do not need to be perfect. You just need to start.
Simple words, but hard to believe when you're afraid of mistakes.
I know that feeling. You open your mouth and your brain says, wait, is that right? And nothing comes out.
Fear of mistakes is the biggest wall between English learners and real progress.
And here's the truth. Mistakes are not the problem. Mistakes are the path.
Say that again, Ben. I want everyone to hear it. Mistakes are not the problem. Mistakes are the path.
If you're making mistakes, it means you're trying, and trying is the only way forward.
I've been there many times. I remember the first time I tried speaking a new language. Every sentence felt wrong. I kept going anyway.
And did people laugh at you?
No, most people just smiled. They were happy I was trying.
That is so true. When someone tries to speak your language, even badly, you want to help them.
Native speakers are not your judges. They're your audience. Remember that.
I love that. Okay, Ben, so we have 5 tips for our listeners today. Are you ready?
More than ready. Let's go.
Tip number 1, watch short videos in English with English subtitles.
English subtitles, not subtitles in your own language.
This is very important. When you read the words in your own language, your brain relaxes. It doesn't work hard.
But when subtitles are in English, your brain connects the sound with the word at the same time.
That connection helps you recognize words faster in real conversations.
So you watch, you listen, and you read all at once.
Short videos are perfect. Watch one, then watch it again and again.
Repetition without boredom. If the video is interesting, you want to watch it again.
Find topics you love. Cooking, travel, comedy. The topic doesn't matter. The English does.
Really? I didn't think about it that way before. I always thought I should watch serious English news.
Only if you enjoy the news. If not, watch something that makes you happy. You'll learn more.
Okay, tip 1. Watch short videos with English subtitles on a topic you enjoy. Everyone, say this out loud. I will watch one English video today with English subtitles.
Say it with confidence. I will watch one English video today with English subtitles.
Good. Now tip number 2. This one you can do completely alone, right now, in this moment.
It's called self-talk. And no, it doesn't mean you're going crazy.
I was going to ask that.
Self-talk means you narrate your life in English. Describe what you are doing as you do it.
Like, I am sitting in my chair. I am listening to a podcast. I am learning English.
Perfect. Simple sentences about real actions happening right now.
This works because your brain thinks in English directly, not translate. Think.
Try it for 30 seconds, while you make breakfast, while you walk, while you do anything.
30 seconds sounds easy, but it is quite hard when you try it the first time.
Because you have to find the words fast, and that speed is exactly what you're training.
I am going to try this today. I am walking to my car. I am opening the door. I am sitting down.
You are already doing it. See? It's working.
And if I do not know a word, I just continue and look it up later.
Yes, that moment when you look up a word because you needed it, that word stays in your memory.
Because you needed it. It was real, not from a list on a page.
And that brings us perfectly to tip number 3. Don't learn random words.
Random words like types of fish or tools in a garage.
Unless you're a mechanic, those words will not help you in daily life.
I once spent a whole week learning kitchen tools in English. I've never used the word colander in a conversation.
When did you ever need that word?
Never. Not once. I should have learned, I am really tired. I need a break. I'm so hungry.
Exactly. The expressions you say every day in your language, those are the ones to learn in English.
Pay attention to what you say every day. Then find those words in English.
Write them in a notebook or on your phone. Use them the same day if you can.
Real vocabulary for your real life, not textbook words for a test you'll never take.
If you're enjoying today's episode, subscribe to Daily Speaking English Podcast. Ben and I are here every single day.
We really are. Okay, tip number 4. This one is about building confidence with grammar, but in a fun way.
We call it sentence frames. You take one simple structure and repeat it many ways.
For example, I usually. That's your frame. Now finish it differently each time.
I usually wake up at 7. I usually drink tea in the morning. I usually walk to work.
3 sentences, same frame. You practiced grammar without opening a grammar book.
Really? I didn't expect that at all. It feels like speaking, not studying.
That's the point. You get comfortable with the pattern, and then it comes out naturally.
Let's try another frame together. I'm going to. Ben, you go first.
I'm going to make dinner. I'm going to call a friend. I'm going to practice English.
Now, everyone at home, your turn. Finish this sentence. I'm going to. Say it out loud right now.
Whatever comes to mind. I'm going to practice English today. I'm going to listen to this episode again.
Every sentence you make is a step forward. Small steps every day lead to big progress.
You realize very quickly that with just one frame, you can say hundreds of different things.
That realization, you can say so much with so little, is when confidence starts to grow.
I remember that feeling. That's like a door opening.
Tip number 5 opens that door even wider. Ben, are you ready?
I'm ready. What is it?
Create a reading habit. Read out loud. 5 to 10 minutes every day. Do not stop.
Do not stop even if I make a mistake?
Keep going.
Do not stop even if I do not know a word?
Keep going.
That sounds intense.
And here's why it works. When we stop, we analyze, we criticize ourselves. The perfection monster wakes up.
Ah, the same monster from the beginning.
But when you read for 10 minutes without stopping, you enter a flow. Your mouth moves. Your voice finds its rhythm. You stop fighting yourself.
It is physical practice. Your lips and your tongue are learning to move in English.
Like going to the gym, but for your face.
A face gym. I want to join.
After 10 minutes, your mouth might feel a little tired, and that's wonderful. It means you really worked.
What should I read? Does it matter?
Anything. A news article, a children's book, a blog post, even the transcript of this podcast.
Wait, I can read our conversation out loud?
Yes, you can be Lena. I'll be Ben.
I want to be Ben.
Fine, you be Ben. Just hear your own voice in English. Get comfortable with it.
Hearing yourself speak English for the first time feels strange. Your voice sounds different.
It does, but that's your new English voice. The more you hear it, the more it feels like home.
I love that. My English voice is my new voice.
Ben, do you notice something about all 5 of these tips?
Let me think. Watching videos, alone. Self-talk, alone. Sentence frames, alone. Reading out loud, alone.
None of them need a teacher or a classroom or money.
I can do all 5 of these in my pajamas at home.
Learning English in pajamas, the dream.
The best classroom is your daily life.
The best time to start is right now, not Monday, not next month.
Pick just one tip and try it today.
Try the self-talk while you wash the dishes tonight, just 30 seconds.
Or watch one short English video before you sleep.
One small action today becomes a habit next week. A habit becomes fluency next year.
Every listener right now, you are already ahead. You're here and you're learning.
Showing up is the first step, and you already did it.
Let's do a quick review. Tip 1. Short English videos with English subtitles.
Tip 2. Self-talk. Narrate your life in English for 30 seconds.
Tip 3. Learn expressions from your daily life, not random words.
Tip 4. Sentence frames like I usually or I'm going to.
Tip 5. Read out loud for 5 to 10 minutes without stopping.
5 tips, all free, all possible right now.
Thank you for being here with us at Daily Speaking English Podcast today. We are so happy you spent this time with us today.
Your challenge, pick one tip and do it before you sleep. Just one. Tomorrow, pick another.
Please subscribe to Daily Speaking English Podcast. Hit the like button, tap the bell icon, and share this with someone who needs it today.
Our comment question, which tip will you try first? Write it below. When you write it down, you make a promise to yourself.
We read every comment. Your words matter to us.
Daily Speaking English Podcast is a community of learners from all over the world, growing together one day at a time. Come be part of it. We would love to see you there.
See you tomorrow. Keep going. Your English voice grows stronger every day.
Bye, everyone. Start today, not someday. Everything you need is already with you.